Hey everybody, today we are showing you how we can get the private server link on our Roblox so that we can invite our friends very easily. So let's just get started. Open up a browser for that and you can go to Roblox. Go to Roblox. And once you go to Roblox, you can search for the game that you bought the private server for. So you just need to head over to that particular game. For example, let's say this is the game. So you can head over to the game and scroll down to the server section, or usually you can find the server section right here, right below the play button. After you go to the server section, this is where you will be finding your server name. So right here in the section, if you have a server, you will be finding it here. You just need to click on the three dots next to your server. If you do not have one, you can create one by selecting this create private server and buying a server for yourself. So you can type in a server name and click on buy now, and you will be having your own private server. Now you just need to configure it and you will be finding an invite link option. So you need to select that option right there. So you just need to go over and do so. And once you do so, you just need to paste it into the Discord, WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. And you own it, or if you have it or own the admin access, you will be finding it. So you can just go over and follow that process and share it. Usually to join other people's server, you just need to go over and find the section right here called server, and you just need to select this option of join and join the servers, and even add usernames manually if needed, and turn on and turn it off as well, like allowing other people to join it. And that's it, everybody. That's it. That is how you join the private servers on Roblox, pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.